Okay, we're going to place the following rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending, I'm going to make it uppercase A because that's how I tend to remember. And I'm going to make it an arrow. Boom! So that means we're going from small to big. And I'm going to make my B big so I know it's small to big. All right, first thing I'm going to do is make all of these look alike. I want them all to be percents. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 18 and multiply by 100. Remember, when we're putting things in order, we want them to look alike. 83.4, and it's already a percent. So I'm going to type 83.4% of 100, just so it comes over here so I don't forget it, because I tend to forget things being that I am so ancient. So 5 times 10 raised to the power of -1. Well, that's all great and good, Ruby, but you still have to make it a percent. So that's 50%. And then I'm going to go on to the next one, and I'm going to type in the decimal 0.522, and I'm going to multiply that by 100, and I get 52.2. So I have changed all of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, into percents. This one, I didn't have to change it. I just didn't want to forget it. So now, ascending order, small to big. I'm going to ask myself, 66%, 83%, 50%, or 52%? Which one is the smallest percent? Well, I believe that it's 50%. So I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to label it number 1. I should write it down here, but I don't want to right now because I'm being lazy. So now I have left 66%, 83%, and 52%. Again, I want small to big, so which is the smallest? That would be this one right here. So I'm putting those X's there so that when I go back, if I want to recheck my work, which is always a good job, I don't have to retype everything. I just have to get rid of those X's I put there. Now I have 2 left. Which is smaller, 66% or 83%? Some of you may get confused by all of these sixes, but guys, decimals, the more there are, the smaller it is. So don't worry about there being lots of sixes here. Okay, we're just looking basically at the numbers in front of the decimals to make our decision about what's bigger or smaller. So the next one would be right here, and that's 3. And then finally, 83.4 would be last because it is the largest. And if you wanted to go back and check your work, it would be super easy just by removing the letter or letters that you put after it. And I would keep doing this. And y'all are doing great. I am so proud of you. So we'll see you tomorrow when you do great on your test.